Let's make some rhubarb banana muffins. I'm going to start mashing our banana. I am using 2 bananas. That'll equal about 3/4 cup of mashed banana. The browner, the sweeter and mushier they'll be. You can mash your banana with a fork or a blender. In this recipe, the bananas act like a liquid, so you want them as mashed as possible. Our bananas are ready. Now it's time to mix the rest of the liquid ingredients, and that includes 1/4 cup of oil, 3/4 cup sugar, and 2 eggs. We are going to mix our oil, sugar, and eggs. All right, now I'm going to add my bananas. And that's the liquids. Remember to turn your oven on to 350 degrees. Let's do our dry. So 1.5 cups of flour. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of ground flax, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and give it all a good mix. Once that's all mixed in, add the wet ingredients. Just mix gently until most of the flour has been mixed into the liquid. For me, that looks like this. A bit of the flour is still showing because I'm going to mix in the rhubarb and walnuts if you choose. And I'm not too fussy about really stirring it well. If I see a little bit of flour here or there, that's okay. Scrape that down. I have greased a muffin tin, and now I'm going to fill my muffin tin. Muffins ready for the oven. 350 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. And now we clean up. See if they're ready. Oh yeah. And these are our rhubarb banana muffins. Don't they look beautiful? We're gonna let them cool for 5 minutes, and then we will run a knife around the outside and plop them on a cooling rack. Now that they've cooled off a little bit, I can run my knife around the muffin and then just pop them out. Beautiful little muffin with a nice little muffin top. I love these size of muffins. This is a perfect portion size. Enough to fill the craving, but not too much to make you feel overfull. Ooh, looking good.